Well, I got the loop-filled Ford Focus from Copart all finished for the most part. For my purposes, it looks beautiful. I'm going to use it to drive back and forth to work, save a lot of money on gas. So that's my whole reason for doing it. Now that it's running, I figured out that the one of the brake lights is out. So I'm going to show you how to change the brake light real quick, and show you how you really don't even need any tools to do it on the Ford Focus, so stick around. Well, I still have mine apart because I haven't put it all back together yet. And once I put it together, I figured out that I have a bad tail light, or brake light, I should say. So in order to get to it, I think there's a panel that goes over here. You're gonna have to remove the panel. But once you get the panel removed, there's only 2 screws, or bolts with plastic nuts on them that you need to remove to get the tail light out. So remove the panel, which I don't have in, so I can't show you how to remove the panel, and then take these 2 wing nuts, plastic nuts off, and then you'll be able to remove the tail light. So I'm going to set you down, I'm going to remove them, and then I'll show you what you get. Alright, there's the 2 plastic wing nuts that are off. They came off of these 2 studs. Right, there's one, and there's one. So once you do that, then the tail light should just come right off. So I'm doing this one-handed, so it might, you see how it just popped right out? And then there's a little clip down in there, and I can't see because it's so bright, but that's all it takes to get that off. So next move is to remove the bulb that's burnt out, and I think it's the top one. So I'm going to remove this. It just twists out the pulls, and that's not it. It's the other one. It's the bottom one. So again, you just twist and pull it right out. And as you can see, I think the filament might be bad. So I'm going to replace this and we'll go from there. Let me put you down so I can go get the bulb. There's the bulb I have, a 3157 from Sylvania, and it is a clear bulb. And if you notice, the filaments look like they go straight across rather than at an angle. So I think I got the right one. Alright, I took them both out of the housing just to have better access to it, and you should be able to pull it straight out of this receptacle, but I can't do it with one hand, so I'm going to have to put you down, and I'm going to pull on it straight out of there. So as you can tell, there's only like 2 filaments that hold it in, so I'm going to pull that puppy out and right there, and we'll go from there. There, it snapped back in. One of the things when you do this, make sure you don't touch the bulb. You have greases on your finger, and it will cause premature burnout. So it's probably not as bad with these as it is with the headlights, but you know, if you're thinking about it, try not to touch it when you're slipping it back in there. So, and then you just repeat the process of screwing these bulbs into the taillight housing. Goes back up, put the 2 wing nuts back on, and you're good to go. So I'll show you what it looks like when I get done. It slides right back in. I haven't put the wing nuts on the bolts yet, but right there's one, right there's one. Just put them back on and you're done. So thanks for watching, and I appreciate all the support. Just keep it up, and I'll keep trying to make videos that are worth watching and that help you out. Thank you, and have a great day.